Hi guys, this is Joe from Techilobang. Welcome back to this channel. So I finally received the Casetify package today. I'm so waiting for it because during the COVID-19 season, I think every household needs this product. So without further ado, let me just open it up together with you guys. Okay, but first there's a cut. Casetify protects. Stay safe. Okay. And here it is, the Casetify product that I've been waiting for a long time. I pre-ordered it and it just has been sent out recently and it finally arrived here. Okay, a box within a box within a box. Finally, it is here. Keeping it clean. So yes, I just bought the UV sanitizer light. So as you know, there's a lot of viruses going on, and this Casetify one is UV sanitizer is one of the fastest in the market that I can find, that can within 3 minutes, because it has 6 light source. Within 3 minutes it should be able to kill 99.9% of the viruses. But of course, again, it was not certified against COVID-19. It is there's no way to check right now, but anyway, I believe all viruses are similar. When exposed to UV light, it should be killed. So yeah, I just bought a Casetify UV light sanitizer. See what's inside this box. Some instructions, a carrying case, cable. So I believe it is a USB-C cable. And that is it. And now this is the main product that I've been waiting for a long time, the UV sanitizer from Casetify. It's a super simple design, made in China. So it is here. Nothing much to see except that it is just a case with UV light, and then there is 6 UV light source. 1, 2, if you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over here it is a wireless charging pad. So while you're charging, or no, while you're sanitizing your phones or your gadgets, you can actually charge your product. But then if I need just 3 minutes, I don't think I will wait for the product to be charged inside, because it is just a 5 watt wireless charging. And that is it. Okay, let me give you a quick demonstration on how to use the Casetify UV sanitizer. So I just plug in the USB-C to a power supply. So it's already charged. No, it is already turned on. There's no turn on button at all. It's just a blue light. So what you can do right now is put in the product, and then you can start to sanitize it. So let me adjust it again. Okay, so the first thing I want to sanitize is definitely my phone. It is the dirtiest thing I think in around me. So once I place inside, okay, once it's blinking, it shows that it has started to sanitize. And for the next 3 minutes, it will continue to blink. It will continue to blink, and once it's completed, it will stop blinking and it will just give you a non-blinking blue light.
A few moments later.
Okay, I guess it has been completed because the blue light is not blinking right now. Yeah, I can open it up. This product has a protection. That means anytime when you open up the lid while it's still blinking, it will stop immediately the UV light and you're safe. So one of the features of this product is that you have a wireless charging inside. So let me demonstrate to you if you can. Okay, this is, so it's now charging wirelessly, and you can disinfect again. I'm not sure why it's blinking right now, because what I did differently from the previous time was I'm now using the wireless charging. So it seems to me that it might interfere with the power source and causing it to blink. Okay, it's completed. And that's it for the demonstration.